Hey guys, it's Stan. Welcome back to the channel. Got a new video coming at you here today, and it is not related to the first gen. We actually have a new set of rims and tires that are supposed to be here on a FedEx semi that I'm supposed to unload here in a few. I actually went with, I was debating on going to 14 wides, but it's just not practical for what I want to use the truck for, you know. I want to still be able to tow with the truck and not have to worry about, you know, cutting my fenders and all that. So I just went with another set of 12 wide rims. I actually went with new set is from a company called Arkon. I believe they are a wheel from the guys over at Custom Offsets. I believe they came up with their own wheel, and they got a couple different designs out. And I went with the Alexander wheel in a 20x12, and their 12 wide rim actually has a -51 offset, so it's a little bit more than, you know, your standard 12 wide, which is usually at a -44. So I might gain a little bit of stance from that, not a whole lot, but I think it'll be just right for the look that I want to go with on the truck. So, and I actually went with some Atturo Trail Blade MT tires in a 33 12.5 wide. So I guess I'm gonna wait around for this truck and get them unloaded. Stay tuned. Grab my McDucks before we head into work. McDucks. It's good stuff. Wheels here. Hey, let's go unload them. Well, we got them unloaded. I got one wheel unpackaged. And of course, has to be raining out. Let's take a first look at the new set here. And again, these are the Arkon Alexander. It's a 22x12, -51 offset. Pretty good sized lip on them. And the tires, the Atturo Trail Blade MTs. They don't look terribly stretched there. And supposedly I have a shirt and a hat and a few other goodies buried in here somewhere. Let's see if they actually sent them. Dig through this mess. Just getting a little bit down here into more of the unboxing. Center caps. They'll come in these nice little Arkon bags. Nice clean looking center cap. And they just press into the wheel there. Put one in. And with every Arkon order, they actually send you this little goodie bag. Comes with a hat. You can either choose a snapback or a, well, I chose the trucker hat, but apparently this is a snapback. A little baggie, koozie, shirt, it's a large shirt, info card, air freshener, And looks like a couple, oops, Arkon decals. So that's a nice added touch with these wheels. So far, quite impressed. Like the look of these. Was wanting to go chrome, but I just don't have time for the maintenance with chrome wheels, so just went with another set of black wheels. I'm gonna leave the rest of these packaged up before we head up and get these thrown on the truck. Today is September 29th, 2019. Had the rims and tires on the truck since about May, beginning of May. Put around 10,000 miles or so on the new setup. Actually hauled my first gen all the way down to Daytona truck meet. That was a good long distance trip. I've also been to Minnesota, a few other long distance trips here and there, so gotten quite a bit of miles in use out of the new setup. I initially threw the rims and tires on without the spacers, and I was a little disappointed. It kind of looked like I had lost some stance just because of the nittos are actually a bit wider than these Atturo tires. So when we threw them on there, it looked like the tires were too small and kind of looked like I needed to jump up to a 35. But I ended up ordering a set of 2-inch spacers. I ran those all the way around for a little bit and kind of rubbed a little bit too much up front. So I dropped back down to 1.5" up front. So we're currently running the 2-inch in the back, 1.5" up front. Don't really notice the difference a whole lot. Yeah, like I said, you know, the rims are pretty dirty right now, but just figured I would
go ahead and make a video, you know, down the road just to make sure I was still happy with the whole setup. I don't know why I'm filming this in the rain. I keep wiping the camera off. But overall, very happy with the rims. I went with a set of spiked lugs. I got them from 8 Lug Mafia. They are the True Spike lug nut. They're about $200 said and done for the whole set. So yeah, one of the initial selling points for me on these rims, when I first seen them on a newer Super Duty, I thought they were specialty forged, and specialty forged are obviously a lot more expensive than these, and you know, the price point of these Arkons, you just can't really, you can't beat that price for the look of these wheels. I mean, I absolutely love this Alexander wheel. Planning on running this setup for a while. Maybe down the road, might just get rid of the spacers and do 14 wides. I'd like to test fit a set, or test fit one up front just to see how a 14 wide would clear on a 33. Don't really plan on jumping up to a 35. So if you guys are looking for a wheel that kind of mimics the look of the higher end, such as a Force or a specialty forged, I would highly recommend these Arkons. Great customer service. With my order, they actually didn't send these spiked caps right away, and you know, I shot them an email right away. Somebody got back with me and let me know. They sent me a new tracking number with that, and I had them within a couple days. I would definitely recommend checking out these wheels. Definitely a good option out there for a very affordable price point. So I want to thank you guys again for watching. All my subscribers. If you're new to the channel, make sure you head over and hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be doing some more videos here. And also, let me know if you guys have questions. Drop a comment below. Do my best to answer what I can. Give me ideas for the next video, what you guys want to see. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time.